guys, so in this video we're gonna learn some new tags which is used in the HTML. So hope you guys like the previous video, and now let's get into the next video. So in this video we're gonna learn the next tags, which is image tag, which is used to embed an image on a document. And in document, here we mean a web page. As you can see, I have added a image inside the web page. So how we gonna use, let's say we want to add this image. We copy the image address, then open our code. Let's remove it. We're gonna use the img image tag, and let's say inside just gonna type source, the link, and after that we're gonna give some alt text, which is apply now, and some width, let's say 90 pixel, height let's say also 90 pixel. Here also. And the another thing we're gonna do is, as you can see, this slider came and we have to move this page. So we want to wrap the text, so we're gonna press alt z to wrap the text, so all the codes come in one web view, on web screen, on one screen. Now if I see, okay, so this is if I do this inspect element, so image, here you can see all text apply. Okay, now is not on the orders, and if I change the width to 100, you can see the changes happening live. So this is also a way that you can rearrange your code or test your
Now
code.
the next tag
inside
your
your
browser
is div,
and
don't
span.
worry, the
And
main
this
source
two
code
tags
remain the
are
same, mainly in use when you are using the CSS file,
now
which we will learn
now the
later on the chapters. But for a basic understanding how a div tag is work, it is like a block element which take the entire space on our web page. Let me show you practically how a div tag work. Let's delete the image tag. Now I have already created the div tag here and inserted some paragraph like hello, how are you doing, what are you doing, and another div tag which says goodbye, okay, see you. So these are two div tags that I have created. If I see this on the code, okay, these are the code.
also one more thing, you can comment out the whole thing by pressing Ctrl slash. So what does commenting do is it make this part unreadable by the web browser, but a human can easily read this part. You can see the web page is clean now. The next thing or next tag we're going to learn is the table tag. So the table tag. Now the table tag is used to create Now come the next tag, which is spin tag. Now this tag is used if we want to change certain part inside a paragraph or inside a div tag. Let's see. If I write this paragraph like hello there and then I start this spin tag, this will look different and ending the spin tag. And then if I see this inside a browser, the whole thing look kind of same, unless I do this. Now you can see this is in Spain style. Now if I click background, let's see red, you can see the whole text file remain the same except this. So the div file take the whole area, but the spin file take the area which is enclosed inside the tag. Like this will look different. Now to create table, so let's say create a table. Now inside the table, we know there is a table row. Let's add some table row. Let's say the first row is the table heading. Name it first name. If I check the browser, this is how it looks kind of fine. Now I want to add some data inside it. Now I have to create another row. Inside it, let's give it a name, check. I think I have some error inside the code. I have created a table row, inside table head. Now, table row. Okay, table row, table data. Inside the table data, provide the data. One more thing, try to write a clean code. Like, I am not doing it, I know. I do load of Control C, Control V. Table row, and we have to close the tag also. Let's see, I don't, yep, now the code worked fine. And in this simple example we learn all things like table tag, table row which is used to create a row like this one. This is a row. Inside a row we use table head tag. That's why they are bold, because they are heading of the table. Now we create another table row which is this one. Inside it we fill the data, which is this and this. Hope you guys understand table row from end. The last thing we want to learn is for tag. Now, in a web page, the most important thing, let's say you want to create a form which collect the student data like student name or a login page. So everything like login page or getting some data comes under the forum tag, and we will talk about the input tag inside the form tag. So let's say here, let's redo the whole thing. Let's say form tag. Now inside the tag, I want to create a label. Let's say the label is username. And I want to put input type. You see the number of options we have: a button, a checkbox, color, date, email, file, hidden, image, month, number, password, radio. Talk about radio later. Here text, and let's see how our code looks. Okay. Username. The second field we need is a password. Close it. Now if I see the web page, here I need to add a div. Closing this. Now if I see the code, now it looks kind of clean. Let's add a line breaker, which is br. Now this look kind of good. Now if I want to improve this, what I can do is let's say now what does the placeholder this part do is, okay, let's screw up the code somehow and check. So you can see a small character can screw up the whole code. Now you can see the username and password written inside the code. If I type something, it disappears. And password tag also disappears. Now every form has some action. So if we want to do some action, we do form action. Let's say we want it to move to some page which would be a PHP page. Let's say action PHP. Don't worry, we will learn about this later on. Right now we're just learning some structure, like how these things work, how our form is created basically. Let's begin, which is, we have div created, let's create input. Now let's say if I write this and this, it automatically reset the field. Second thing we need is obviously submit button. If I click on submit button, it shows an error because this page doesn't exist right now. That's why it shows an error. Don't worry. And also we have to add some line break here. So that page look a little bit clean now.
Hi, so video, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. And also one thing that you can do, you can take a screenshot of your first HTML web page that you have created and tag it to the coding guide Instagram page and on the Twitter also.